From the mountains to the prairies, to the oceans white with foam, this land was made for you and me, a place we all call home. In the land of the free, where stars shine bright, where hearts beat as one, under freedom's light. We stand together in unity, proud and strong in the land of the free. From the sea to shining sea, we raise our flag on high. With every stripe and every star we reach up to the sky. Our ancestors' dreams, their courage and their fight, guide us through the darkest days into the light. The land of the free, where the stars shine bright, where hearts beat as one, under freedom's light. We stand together in unity, proud and strong in the land of the free. Let the fireworks explode, light up the night, in red, white, and blue, a glorious sight. We honor those who gave us this right to live in freedom, to soar to new heights. In the land of the free, where the stars shine bright, where hearts beat as one, under freedom's light. We stand together in unity, proud and strong in the land of the free. Let the fireworks explode, light up the night, in red, white, and blue, a glorious sight. We honor those who gave us this right to live in freedom, to soar to new heights. In the land of the free, where the stars shine bright, where hearts beat as one, under freedom's light. We stand together in unity, proud and strong in the land of the free. So let's raise our voices, let our spirits soar, in the land of the free forevermore. Together we stand, united we'll be, in this beautiful land, our sweet liberty.